Okay, so now we're going to learn about the principle of balance, and you are going to start by reading the definition of balance, and then you're going to look at the types of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial symmetry. Then you're going to look at a photograph of the Brooklyn Bridge and tell me what kind of balance you see in the photo. Make sure that you're giving me complete answers to get full credit. You're going to see some examples of famous artists like Frank Stella and Radial Balance, and you're going to see Hokusai's Great Wave, asymmetrical balance as an example. Then you're going to look at the artwork by Vincent van Gogh on the right and write out how you believe balance was created. Again, please make sure you're giving full answers. You're going to do the same thing on the next few slides. And then what you're going to do is you are going to find examples of radial balance. So you're going to come up here and say insert image, search the web, just like it shows you in the basic tools demonstration. And I'm just going to type in radial balance, see what comes up. Oh, that's a cool looking one. I like this one. So I'm just going to drag it over into my presentation. Now you can crop if you want to, but this one fits fine. And then what you're going to do is you're going to read the definition, and then once you insert your image, you're going to describe to me how you see radial balance in the example that you chose. Then you're going to do the same thing for asymmetrical balance. So now you're going to create your own design that shows balance using only geometric shapes. So we're going to do symmetrical balance first. Make sure you watch that basic tools demonstration to learn how to manipulate all the different tools in Google Slides. So what I'm doing is duplicating these triangles and filling them with different colors. And what I want to do is I want to create symmetrical balance. So it's the same on the left and the right. And then once you get one done, probably one of the easiest things to do is to select it and then copy it and flip your design to create symmetrical balance. Okay. Okay, now you are going to create designs using radial balance, and then you're going to do a mandala, which is also radial balance. And you're going to start in the center, and what you want to do is you want to create the same shape or line in each space going around the circle. Okay, don't worry if it's not perfect. Cool thing about doing mandalas is that once it's all done, it creates this awesome rhythm, and you don't even notice any of those little mistakes. Okay, so then you're going to go to the next outer circle, and you're going to create another shape or another line type. Now, the most important thing is I am showing you this as a demonstration, but I want you to create your own design. That's the most important thing. And yours is going to be way better than mine because I'm doing mine sort of quickly just to demonstrate, whereas you guys are going to have the whole class period to do yours. So I'm just going to arrange and send it to the back, or I can also just change the border. Okay, and then I'm going to the next concentric circle, and I'm creating my next shape. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to create the same shape in each of the sections of the mandala template. All right. And I'm just filling that or with the border color. I'm going to do a curve on this one. This is a cool tool that I talked about in that basic tools demonstration, and I'm just clicking on the different spots to make it more like a curved looking shape. Again, make sure you're doing your own design, but you can use some of these ways of creating shapes and line types in yours. So now I'm going on to the next outer circle. So you kind of are getting the idea by now of how to do this. I would love to see some of your artwork. If your teacher wants to share some with me, I'm on Instagram at Space to Create Art. I'd love seeing student artwork. So next, you're going to do some chalk talk discussions, and your teacher is going to go through more detail on how to do this. But basically, you're going to use different colors, and you're going to discuss the art that's shown and how balance was created. Your teacher may need to use Zoom and break you into groups in order to do this. You're going to fill out a rubric telling me how you think you did, and then turn it into your teacher. And you're done. Hope you guys have fun with this.